Hello, friends and neighbors. I know this is big mask time. It is April 8th, and I just wanted to give you a couple of hints if you're a glasses wearer like I am on how to not fog up those glasses. So we've been making our own masks. So there's the type that hook on your ears. Just make sure that the nose is tight, and sometimes that will cause a gap, which makes breath go up and actually will fog up your glasses. So a couple things you can do. I've made a few options here, and you can either fold down at the top or fold down inside. And I am a person who folds it inside so that it kind of ricochets the breath down. And when I do that, it causes a different sort of momentum. Put the glasses on top, and it works pretty well. One of the first things I do before I go out is I wash my glasses with soapy water, and usually that works. I don't have to do anything else. Other people fold it. Other people use a tissue and fold it up so it get some of the moisture. And other people, if they have skills, put a little tiny paper clip and sew it in so they can clip it to their nose. Those should work. If you're a glasses wearer and you're wearing a mask, just make sure it's tight so that you're blowing the air down as you go out and you have a safe day. I would say be well to everyone and take care.